Ngicela nje uncede labantu ngoba ngeke siphazamise abantu bakithi laba. Sebebhadere nama pictures. Ngicela nje ukuthi ubanikeze ama pictures wabo. Uqoqa into zakho. Sambe siye ku office le manager. Mina nguvutha ngawamnisi.
Usebenza as
Mina ngikwi March and March but ngumkhonto wesizwe party othi.
Konto. Sithi phambili. Konto wesizwe.
Siyabongela sisi. Siyabonga. Mphathe kahle mfowethu. Asifuni kusasa sizokuthi umbeke isandla. Ama foreigner ngena nje ngoba bathina shisha abafazi la eSouth Africa. Wena wakho umphathe kahle naye akuphathe kahle. Yeah, umphathe kahle mntakaba. Bafiwa abantu abenza lento yenzayo kulamala. Lama South African kugaywa imali la eHome Affairs. I'm here right now. Ubaba uthi uvele eMozambique. Usebenza la eHome Affairs yase Vereeniging. Ngike ngakufonela ke wena Nzuza. Ngikutshela ngale Home Affairs yala eVereeniging. Nginitshelile ngathi eSouth Africa akusadingeka ukuthi umuntu udocumented or undocumented. When you are a foreigner you must leave the country. We want to refresh our country. We have lot of problems. Because singenelwe from long time ago. Lo baba lo usebenzela mina, I think I was 18 years when I was taking ilona ID la. The wing mask ngakhona. How much it generated la kule Home Affairs yethu? Yizi izinto ekumele sizithulele eSouth Africa le bese sithi sino government sinabantu abasebenzela abantu bakithi abamnyama. I hate ANC, ngizonda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. They are the ones who put us here where we are today. They compromise us. Our young people are not working in the country. But sinabantu abagenerator imali ngaphakathi kwama Home Affairs wethu. Baba ngicela udisconnect into zakho please. My brother, this guy, I'm taking him out. He's a foreigner in our own Home Affairs. He must go out. I'm going with him to the manager now and tell the manager that this guy must be removed here.
You went to do my brother. I just checked on my client.
So